Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Today I am going to record another video for basic Arabic vocabularies. It will be the third tutorial for basic Arabic vocabularies. I will take the vocabularies from Medina Arabic Reader, book number 3. Okay, let's start it. The vocabulary of first lesson. Dhakiyun, intelligent. Mi'atun, 100. Ghabiyun, stupid. Alfun, 1,000. Khuluqun, manners. Rubiyatun, rupee. Mutazawwijun, married. Safhatun, page. Azabun, unmarried. Najihun, one who has passed the examination. Yahudiyun, a Jew. Yahudun, Jews. Kummun, sleep, sleeve. Mu'jamun, dictionary. Dularun, dollar. The vocabulary of second lesson. Liqa'un, meeting. Nahrun, river. Ana masrurun bi liqa'ika. I'm happy to meet you. Barqiyatun, telegram. Jayyidun, good. Masrifun, bank. Jaibun, pocket. Maktabul baridi, post office. The vocabulary of third lesson. Mahja'un, hostel. Shahrun, month. Kawkabun, star. La'ibun, player. Fariqun, team. Wasi'un, spacious, large. Shaqiqun, full brothers. Shahirun, famous. Fil manami, in dream. Thamanun, price. Nafidatun, window. The plural form is nawafidu. Kasla, lazy. Sinnun, age, truth. The vocabulary of fourth lesson. The fourth lesson has less vocabularies. Only 2 vocabulary are here. La ba'asa, may no harm come to you, said to one who is sick. Shayun, tea. The vocabularies of fifth lesson. Ainabun, grapes. Kasara, he broke. Mauzun, banana. Sami'a, he heard. Tinun, fig. Fahima, he understood. Fajrun, dawn. Shariba, he drank. Jawabun, answer. Hafiza, he memorized. Su'alun, question. Daraba, he beat. Hayyatun, snake. Dakhala, he entered. Baqalun, grocer. Akala, he ate. Asan, stick. Ghasala, he washed. Qahwatun, coffee. Qatala, he killed. Dukkanun, shop. Khubzun, bread. Sabburatun, writing board. Jayidan, well. The vocabularies of fifth lesson. Sixth lesson. Majallatun, magazine. Kawa, he ironed. Imaratun, building. Fahimtuhu jayidan, I have understood it well. Suratun, surah. Zadakallahu ilman, may Allah increase your knowledge. Shiqqatun, flat. Ja'a, he came. Sinun, truth. Rakibun, passenger in a bus, train, plane, etc. Ya bunayya, O my little son. Fariha, he was pleased. Masrurun, pleased, happy. Khadimun, servant. both male and female. فقط, only. ما شاء الله, literally what Allah wills, an expression of surprise or appreciation. The vocabularies of 7th lesson. مكنسة, broom. الأسبوع الماضي, last week. نظارة, spectacles. منارة, minaret. سورة, pictures. لحية, beard. صابون, soap. عال, high, loud. Female form is عالية. عصير, juice. ملون, colored. كرة القدم, football. صباح, morning. سلم, staircase. نصف, half. عجلة, wheel. مشى, he walked. إذاعة, broadcasting, radio. أخذ, he took. البارحة, last night. وضع, he placed. برتقال, orange. وجد, he found. كرة السلة, basketball. بحث عن, he looked for. The vocabularies of 9th lesson. قائمة, list. نار, fire. علاقة, connection. عدة كتب, a number of books. معنى, meaning. عاصمة, capital city. لحظة, moment. مختلط, mixed. عدة أسئلة, a number of questions. كذلك, like that. رن, it rang. جان, jinn. خلق, he created. حديد, iron. خلق. رفع, he raised. هكذا, like this, so. طين, mud. جرس, bell. حضر, he attended. He was present. أحسنت, أحسنتي, you have done well, well done. The vocabularies of 10th lesson. The last one. دائما, always. مكتب, office. أحيانا, sometimes. عامل, laborer. مرة أخرى, once again. طول, length. عرض, width. سجد, يسجد, to perform sajda. مسافة, distance. kilometer. فعل, يفعل, to do. centimeter. ركب, يركب, to ride. meter. بين, between. عمل, يعمل, to work. بينهما, between them. ركع, يركع, to bow in prayer. Thank you very much for listening. And this one is third tutorial for basic Arabic vocabularies. Thank you very much again for listening. Shukran jazilan lakum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.